Since Smith's escape, I have instituted punitive measures.
Too late! You've lost control of your prison. If it wasn't for your loyal support of Mr. Channing here, you wouldn't have a job. Now, you are on notice, Governor. One more stuff-up, and you will be stripped of your appointment. Do I make myself clear?
However, with the groundswell of support in and out of the prison for Bea Smith, the question remains,
Governor?
how will Governor Ferguson keep control?
She's back.
Bea Smith is a serious offender. How we deal with her will be highly scrutinized by the public and by a nervous government intent on proving they are tough on crime. If she shows the slightest signs of resistance, you will come down hard on her. Understood?
Yes, Governor.
Yes, Governor.
One more thing. The state government has instituted a ban on smoking in all prisons to be phased in over the next 12 months. We will not be phasing it in. Wentworth starts today. Is there a problem?
The women are already on edge. We've taken away their telly, restricted their visits. We take away their fat.
This is government policy. Are you suggesting we ignore it? Smith's actions have thrown a spotlight on everything you do. You can tell that to the women as you confiscate their cigarettes.
Yes, Governor. That'll be all, everyone. Thank you.
Oh, shut it, Jenkins.
Hey, she's going to take away me smokes.
What's going on? Stay out of it, Smith. You got half an hour to smoke your last cigarettes and you hand in what's left.
Have I missed something?
They've banned smoking.
I've got to go to work soon, don't I?
Then you've got 5 minutes. You can thank this one for that.
Thanks.
I said, get back to work.
Oh, sorry, Miss Bennett, but we've been ordered to hand in all our smokes.
You don't smoke, Smith.
I'm a social smoker. So if you spring this on us without any warning, then work stops until the girls have finished all their smokes.
Return to work now. You've been warned, Smith.
I've just been given life without parole, Governor. What more can you do to me?
Keep moving.
Hey, what's going on? They're putting me back in general. You can't do that.
Out of the way, Smith.
You know what they'll do to her.
I told you. Out of the way.
No, they'll tear her apart. You know that you can't do this.
Insubordination, slaughter.
What? You can't. No, you can't do that. Hey, Ferguson! Ferguson! You freak! Maxine! Stay with her. Stay with her.
Build it as high as we can. Oi! Oi! All the way. What's the story, Conway?
Yes. There's no story, Mr. Bacula.
They back up over here.
Oh, there's no need, Mr. Bacula, really.
Right, everyone step back. Step back now!
Maybe you'd like to back off. I said back right off! I said back off! Billy!
At the gate.
Yeah. On your way.
5, Sierra 5.
On your way. I really didn't want to raise my voice. Keep going, girls.
Sierra 4, this is the governor.
Sierra 2 receiving.
Shut that alarm off. Report, please.
Fire's restricted to the middle of the yard.
Some prisoners are armed. No injuries at this stage.
We've retreated so as not to escalate the situation.
It appears containable at this stage, Governor.
What do they want?
They won't say, Governor.
Now, what are you going to tell the board?
That my officers had the situation under control the entire time.
Ferguson.
The situation is about to be resolved. A little more patience, please.
Oh, really?
That is correct.
They disabled the doors. The officers can't get to them.
Have a look at the monitor.
Jesus Christ.
Time's up, freak. Open the door or Vinegar Tips gets it.
No.
Last chance.
No.
Open the fucking door, or we will inject her.
What the hell are you doing?
I will not give in to these demands. You listen to me.
For God's sake.
You will return to your unit.
This is Derek Channing, General Manager of this facility. Officers in the isolation unit. Go to emergency channel.
Yes, sir.
Open the gates, leave your keys, and go.
Do not make any move that puts Miss Bennett's life at risk. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Here.
Bea, I'm here!
Bea, we got ourselves a friend.
I'll lock her in here.
Mr. Jackson?
Governor?
Well?
You haven't called in the squad.
You don't know I haven't.
And let the world know you've lost control of this place. It was never gonna happen. I can put a stop to this now. Tell the women to back off, put down their weapons, send them back to the units. Or we can just stay here, hang out, until you're forced to call the squad. It's up to you.
What do you want?
No repercussions for anyone involved here today. And anything that affects the women in the future, you run it by me first. You don't run this prison. I do.